If you're seeing a CapCut Space upload error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This is a common issue when CapCut gets stuck syncing to the cloud, runs out of available space, or when a session problem blocks uploads in the background. The good news is that you can usually solve it quickly, without reinstalling anything. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Let's start with the first fix, which is clearing the CapCut app cache. Over time, CapCut stores temporary data that can build up and interfere with cloud uploads. To do this on CapCut Desktop, open the app on your PC and go to the top right corner. Click the Settings gear icon, then choose Settings from the drop-down menu. Once the Settings window opens, look for the Project tab. Inside that section, you should see the cache size option. Next to it, click the Delete button, which usually looks like a trash bin icon. CapCut will ask you to confirm, so click OK. After that, restart CapCut completely, so the app can reload with a clean cache. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix upload glitches and restore normal syncing. If the error is still there, the next thing to do is purge your CapCut Space trash. This step is important because deleted projects in CapCut Space do not always disappear right away. Instead, they are often moved to a cloud trash folder, and that trash can still count against your available storage limit. To clear it, go back to the CapCut home screen and click Spaces on the left menu panel. Open the workspace where your projects are stored. Then look for the trash icon, which may appear at the bottom left or in the top navigation bar depending on your version. Click it to open the Deleted Items area. From there, choose Empty Trash to permanently remove those files and free up storage space. Once this is done, CapCut should have more room to sync new uploads properly. Now for the third fix, which is refreshing your cloud account session. Sometimes the problem is not storage at all, but an expired login token. When that happens, CapCut may fail to complete background synchronization, even if everything else looks normal. To refresh the session, click your profile icon in the top left corner of the CapCut homepage. Then select Sign Out. After signing out, close CapCut completely, so no old session data stays running in the background. Wait a few seconds, then reopen the app and click Sign In again. Log back into your primary account and allow CapCut to reconnect to your space data. This fresh sign-in can clear authentication issues and restore upload access. So to quickly recap, if you're getting a CapCut Space upload error, first clear the app cache, then empty your space trash, and finally sign out and sign back in to refresh your cloud session. Those 3 steps fix most upload and sync problems for CapCut users. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.